debutants across both sides, but Fiji and Drua come here to Leichhardt Oval. They host the Fours next week. But who are you looking forward to seeing today? Sydney Winter's Day. And we are underway, and Cordo kicks off. Super Rugby Women's 2026 is underway. And an initial error from the Waratahs. A couple of nerves. From just about directly in front, the kick is good, and we lead 3-0 as far as Fiji and Drua go.
With what we know to be a very lethal attack.
Ball brought down, Leaney, safe hands, and the Waratahs go to work. Talakai getting settled at the back. Ball's just in front of her now, she has it, so the Waratahs. Extra help coming from Nicole Nathan. Talakai's dragged down, the Drua have done well. Ball available to the Tars. Solid work to get it out. Fredericks straight through, Georgina Fredericks starts 2026 the way she finished 2025. Lethal from the Tars.
That's an exceptional try to start the season for the Waratahs. Who else but Georgina Fredericks? She is a beast with the ball. I think she almost looked like she thought she was running a bit of a decoy line there. I don't think she was ready for the ball to come through. Pretty flat ball that she was hit with, but luckily she was able to react in time and take that.
Fine. Set. Stay up. Both down.
Well, it is a great battle. And Nathan and Simons combining. Holtz maybe just getting a little bit in front of Simons, and now checks her run. Holtz. Look at the numbers from the Drua. Scrapping and determined to keep the Waratahs out.
Holding here.
Whitaker. Leaney. Drua. All right. In defence.
Step back.
Just holding the Waratahs up. Boy. Going low. Simons. Duck clapping. Wanting the ball. Duck going to work. Duck gets it down, and in cap number 25, Piper Duck with the Waratahs seconds.
It's a great try for Piper Duck, and as you say, Will, on a huge milestone game for Piper Duck.
Talakadalini, it is out of her reach. Ball in dispute, able to be mopped up by the Waratahs. Rosie Ferguson securing that one. And Nathan. Another good carry. Talakai. Out they go, Miller! Dangerous! Miller over, and Miller around. The prolific try scorer opens her account for another season. The Waratahs with 3.
Great to see Desi Miller crossing the line again in 2026 for the Waratahs. She is such an elite finisher for this group. Really clever the way she just got a few extra metres closer to the post for herself, actually.
It changes things when you're the one adding the extras, doesn't it?
It absolutely does. What I loved there was the really quick hands from Kevitt, getting that ball into space for Miller.
Work. She was mixing high school with playing on weekends and wasn't doing the training during the week, during school days. Took Bertie a few weeks to meet the whole squad when they were able to be released from school. Talakai. Strong to the line, Nathan. Advantage for the Waratahs to work with Leaney. And Cleavitt looking for options. There is an overlap. Fredericks cutting back inside, and Fredericks is over for try number 2 to start 2026. She's too strong.
A great finish there from the Waratahs backline, off the back of the forwards, building real pressure, just continually getting around the corner.
A work down by Fiji. Great carry through midfield, the Drua bursting away. Important defence from the Waratahs, and now Nkoro! Miller the cover tackle. Nkoro does well, offload. The Drua are over. Ryan Tubu, the try, and an important answer back from Fiji and Drua.
It's a huge try from the Drua. We can see they've been trying to build and create these opportunities all game. What was massive for them in that try was just the support play. A couple of really key tackles from the Waratahs player. Great tackle from Desiree Miller. You thought could have potentially been a try saver, but the Drua just kept turning up in numbers over and over again. Gosh, it was a great, strong carry through the middle of the field.
the ball in, and there it is, and now the push. Another advantage. This is danger for the Waratahs. Vaweti straightening. Huge tackle Hulse. They pick and go. Naihamu is short. The Drua. Matubu feeds. Strength in the hit from Yi. The Drua are over. And the Drua mounting a huge toll on the Waratahs at the scrum. Try number 2. And you'd think Batila Tuake would be in the referee's ear.
Great to see the Drua get reward off the back of those dogs.
To make it 11 points, it's a clean strike. And the Drua making a ball game of this one at Leichhardt Oval. Round 1 of Swiftex Super Rugby Women's in 2026. At halftime, the Waratahs 28 and the Drua 17. 5 away. The line out is awesome from the Waratahs. Still they go, the Waratahs. Emily Chancellor a try for her side, and the Waratahs start the second half well.
Great to see the captain for the Waratahs cross the line. Great finish.
The Drua with the advantage. They need points. Saw the Waratahs go down the other end of the field and come away with a try. The Drua need to do the same. Dauni Mawala just about there. They are short. Plenty of bodies around this contest.
Holding on the line, Blue.
Waratahs trying to keep them out.
Let's you.
The Drua are over. Are they down? They are. Important strike to start this phase for the visiting side, and Carolina Naisewa with the try.
And the most capped Drua player of all time, Naisewa, crosses the line after a number of really strong carries there from the Drua.
Towards the line at the moment, it has a sense of inevitability about it. Chancellor, great probe. A couple away now, the Waratahs. Cleave it. Great cutout ball, Miller. You're never stopping Desiree Miller that close to the line with an inch of space, and she exploits it, and the Waratahs pull away.
It's a great finish.
To the Lele. Good offload, and through the hands it goes. Naihamu! One to beat. How about the step, Naihamu? The Drua with a late try.
Just a powerful carry, and how is this step off the right foot? Left the defender there, finished beautifully under the post. She's been exceptional at national level as well. She's averaged almost a try a game in her 9 caps so far for her national team.
Brought down by 3 to the Tars. And Edie Burke has had enough on debut. She said, that'll do us. And the Waratahs start 2026 as Swiftex Super Rugby Women's season with a win against the Fijian Drua.